Hey everyone, how's it going? So after our recent poll, you guys decided that you want to see some Godzilla-themed Five Nights at Freddy's videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Five Nights at Freddy version of Godzilla. So I really hope you enjoy this and let me know what other characters you'd like to see me make. So to start with our picture, I'm going to start right here at the eyes. I'm going to draw two circles right here. I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw one circle here. I'm going to leave a little bit of space and I'm going to draw another circle right here. Now, right above it, I'm going to put the eyebrows. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down and it's going to curve up and down. I'll do one here too. It's going to go down, it's going to kind of come to a point and then curl back around. Right between the eyes, I'm going to draw a little sad face. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out and down. And the one goes over here. It's going to curl out and then down. Then I'm going to make a line that goes across like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up. And another one that's going to go down, over, make it a little bit wider here, and then up. I'm going to draw two little lines in there for the nose. And of course, we want to put some sharp teeth in here. So I'll put some sharp teeth on the top and bottom. Next, I want to draw the head. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a line that goes out, and then it's going to go up. Same thing over here, out, and then it's going to come up. Then I'm going to curve it in on each side. And then we'll go straight across here for the head. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around and come right back up here for the body. I'm going to draw a little circle shape here and a little circle shape here to kind of start where the shoulders are going to be. I'm going to make a line that goes down and it's going to come back up here. Another one here, it's going to go down, it's going to come around and then back up. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves up and a line that curves down. Same thing here, a line that curves up and a line that curves down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and back here like a point. Then one right here, it's going to curve, come to a point, and then come back. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve to a point up and down. One more here, and then one more here that comes back. Do the same thing here. We're going to go up and down to a point, come back. One more here, and then one more here, and then curve it to there. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to curve around and come up here. Out, curve around, and come up here. Make a little circle shape here for the knee, another little circle shape here for the knee. I'm going to make a line that goes down, and the one that comes down here. We're going to go down, and then one that comes down right over here. Make a line that goes over, it's going to come down to a point and over. One here and over. And then one more right here, it's going to go over and then come up to here. Same thing here, I'm going to go down and over. I'm going to come down and over at a point, and then one more down, over, and it comes right up there. Next, I want to add the tail. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curl up here. It's going to come to a point, and then come right back here. Now we have our basic shape of Godzilla. Now we just want to add some of the different details on here. So I'm going to give him some small ears because Godzilla does have little ears. So I'm going to draw a little line that goes out and it's going to curve back. One more here, it's going to go out and then curve back. We'll draw a little line, do the same thing inside of here. I'm going to draw some cheeks on each side of our Godzilla. And then right here by the eyebrow, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes around here. I'm going to draw another circle shape inside each one. Then I'm going to add a smaller circle shape in here, and I'm going to color this in. Now I want to add some spikes on here too. I'm going to start up here. I'm going to draw some little spikes like this. And then I'm going to have some kind of coming off to the side here that we can kind of see. Put some more here, maybe one there. I'm going to draw a little line that just goes around. It's going to come up here. I'm going to add a few curved lines on here. Then I want to add some spikes on the tail as well. So I'm just going to add some pointy spikes all along the tail. I'm just keeping these simple. I do 2 small ones and then 1 tall one in the middle. I'm going to add the claws onto each finger just to kind of separate it a little bit, make it a little more detail. I'll do the same thing to the toes. Just add the claws onto there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Five Nights at Freddy version of Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.